I'll make the most progress in the least amount of time by working on my weakest links. And so if my diet really crap, but my fitness is pretty good, should I improve my fitness some more? Not really. Probably we should put some more energy into improving diet, because you'll make bigger strides faster and get better results as a consequence by making those dietary changes, imposing them on yourself, playing a little game where you say, oh, well, you know what? For this week, I'm gonna have watermelon for breakfast every single day. Or I'm so excited that people keep coming into the movement. There's enough people really, really thrilled with 80-10-10 and the results they're getting that people are talking about it, and more people are hearing about it all the time. This is so exciting for me, because the more people who want to buy fruits and vegetables, the better the supply of fruits and vegetables is going to become. So it just gets better for me to go in a grocery store and I see higher quality produce, more produce. And my local grocery store recently expanded their produce department from 1 aisle to 2. They doubled the produce availability. It was like, wow, this is a good sign. I'm taking that as a really good sign. And yet a lot of people aren't sure about the first steps. They ask me, should I change my diet or should I fast? Should I fast first or should I change my diet first? Should I lose weight first so I look the part, or should I start telling people that what I'm doing is really working? Maybe I don't want to tell them anything until I lose more weight, until I'm perfect, until I've been trained as a speaker, and I'm going, really? Like, if something's working, it's good to tell people. People want to know what's working. Everybody's looking. And so we get into this question of, should I start an exercise program or should I change my diet? Should I get off the drugs and then change my diet, or should I change my diet and then get off the drugs? Or whatever. There's lots of those. It's not chicken and egg so much. It's more, what should I do? I'm going to say what you should do is take a step in the right direction, and every single step in the right direction is a step in the right direction. And if that means adding a little bit of fitness activity more than what you're used to so that you can progressively become more fit, great, that'll never harm you. If it's increasing the percentage of whole or fresh or ripe or raw or organic or any combination of those on your plate every day, every meal, great, do that. If you can take a step in the right direction, in a healthy direction, that's fantastic. Should I start getting more sleep or should I start exercising? They're all important things. Should I start working on my mental attitude? Should I start saying nice things to myself once in a while, or should I build some muscles first and then kiss them here and there? You know, it's like, of course I want to do it all, and we can't start with it all. This is a lifetime journey. We just have to take a step, and that step, if it's alluring to you to be food, well, make a step in the food direction. Great. What you might find is that you have a little more energy to do physical activities if you improve your diet. But if you start from the fitness end of things, you might find that fruits and vegetables seem more refreshing, more rewarding, more tasty after you've been through a bit of fitness activity more than what you're used to. If you're used to going for a 20-minute walk and you go for 30, all of a sudden you go, wow, and the fruit never tasted so good as when I came back hungry. So for me, I just want to see people start. And if you've already started, take another step towards improving your health. And when that step starts seeming comfortable to you, take another step. You don't have to go so far out of your comfort zone. Life is long. You can progress. If you make little steps every day, every week, every month, and you look back and you go, wow, I've actually made progress, that will provide you with motivation to make a little more progress and go, I could take another step, another step. Build on your successes. And whether you choose to go 1 repetition at a time, 1 pound at a time, or 1 bite at a time, doesn't really matter. Aim towards your goals, aim towards your successes, take steady progress in that direction. And really, should it be fitness first or should it be food first? For my money, I want to look at where I'm the farthest off base from achieving my goals and then start there, because I have the longest to travel, but also because I'll make the most progress in the least amount of time by working on my weakest links. And so if my diet really crap, but my fitness is pretty good, should I improve my fitness some more? Not really. Probably we should put some more energy into improving diet, because you'll make bigger strides faster and get better results as a consequence by making those dietary changes, imposing them on yourself, playing a little game where you say, oh, well, you know what? For this week, I'm going to have watermelon for breakfast every single day, or I'm going to have fruit for breakfast every single day, or I'm going to have fruit for breakfast and lunch, or I don't eat fruit. I don't eat anything but fruit. I have fruit as often as I want until 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I start thinking, do I want more fruit or do I want salad? I don't know where you're going to find the guidelines that you can impose. Everybody's a little at a different spot. But somewhere, just make the step to improve yourself and live with it for a day or a week or a month until that's just so easy that you know you can take another step. And step by step, you could do anything you want to do. Hi guys, Dr. Doug Graham here with you today, and I'm just so excited about the Raw Nature Retreat. Harriet Kjaer had the most amazing idea. She's been a student of mine for almost a decade and a world-class athlete for much longer than that. And she said, can't we do a raw food retreat in Europe where the entire focus is on helping people build their fitness, their physique, and reach their health goals? Let's really make a fitness retreat. So she's put together Raw Nature Retreat, the best food, the best fitness, the best teachers. I mean, we're uncompromising on this one, and it's the first of its kind ever. You gotta come. I mean, I'm gonna be there, Harriet's gonna be there, we've got a few surprises in store for you. It's gonna be the retreat of the year, I think. It's really something special. And if you're interested in taking your fitness to the next level, you want to reach that physique of your dreams, you want to have a good time in the camaraderie of like-minded individuals, come to Raw Nature Retreat. I'm looking forward to spending really intimate, personal, one-on-one time with you.